Hello guys, good evening and happy Thursday to everyone.
And guys, I want to show you something. I have my new phone stand.
Anyway, my husband purchased a new phone and it comes free with the selfie stick. So actually my husband gave it to me, but Isabella wanted, so I gave it to her.
No, actually,
so she could do her vlog.
Mama, Dad bought it for me.
I'm making a carrot bread or a carrot cake because my husband doesn't eat he doesn't eat breakfast. So normally he will have just a cup of tea or a coffee. So along with that, he will have a few cookies or one chapati. Or sometimes I could give him a slice of carrot cake, or sometimes I'll make banana cake, just a one slice of it. And then, so let me show you the ingredients.
You know what, Mama?
And anyway guys, actually in Dubai, it is winter now, so we are shivering in the house, so we are all covered up, and Isabella also is covered. We are all wearing socks. And we don't snow in Dubai. Maybe sometimes it does, but in the mountain somewhere in another Emirates, they have some snow in the mountain. So anyway, again, let me show you my ingredients. These are all our ingredients, as you can see. So we need some yogurt. Yogurt is just an optional, but actually yogurt, it helps to keep your banana bread, or carrot cake or carrot bread become soft, fluffy, and moisture. So
and guys,
moist. So this yogurt does the magic.
And we have
and then we need also baking powder,
and we need some egg,
soda,
and we need some
one egg, milk,
my favorite,
and peanuts. I'm using the roasted ground peanut because I don't have the walnut. And I'm gonna use some flax seeds. It's really healthy, guys, so I'm putting it. It's an optional. And as I have some here, I have some grated carrots. This is 2 carrots, small, medium size, yeah. And I have some here, some butter. This is already soft.
Yeah.
And I'm using a brown sugar because for me it's much healthier compared to the white one, so I'm using the brown sugar.
Yep.
And yeah, these are all the ingredients I'm gonna use for my banana. I don't know what's wrong with me. Why I keep on saying banana cake. Again, these are all the ingredients I'll be using for my carrot cake. We need the most important ingredients as the all-purpose flour. So we need this as well. So I forgot to put it in the counter. So first we just have to mix all these ingredients and stir it properly so there's no lumps. And then we have to transfer in our baking tray.
Which Mama put all around something.
I already greased with butter so it doesn't stick actually.
Yeah.
So first we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And Isabella will stir it but do it nicely, yeah? And now we have to put 1 teaspoon of this.
Go ahead, Mama. Because you look so pretty.
Am I?
Yeah.
And 1 teaspoon of this. And we have to put our butter as well. Bella's mixing it well. Now next is our vanilla essence.
Go ahead, Mama.
1 teaspoon is enough. Okay. Mix it.
Mama, you look so pretty, Mama.
I look pretty.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. Okay, and next, I'm gonna put some yogurt. Maybe
Okay,
it's
Mama,
around
you can, Mama.
2 tablespoons of yogurt.
Okay. You can go.
That's enough.
Now can I go?
And Bella will stir. Yes, you have to mix it nicely. And then we can add our egg.
Go ahead, Mama. I like it.
If you are vegetarian, then you don't have to add the egg. And Bella will give a good mix. And now it's time to put our milk.
I already did the stir, so Mama. So now Mama did. I did the stir.
Stir it.
Okay,
Stir.
of course.
So we have to do it gradually.
I'm sorry guys, cause I can't do it, cause it's so hard for me to do.
Yeah, this has become difficult for Bella to do actually.
Yeah. Ow. See this here, guys, is failing. So yeah. On here is failing.
So now this is okay. Now Isabella will put the
Peanuts.
peanuts.
And guys, I'm sorry, cause look, here really pains a lot.
Yeah, put peanuts.
Okay. How many, Mama?
Just put. Yeah, put more.
Tell me when to stop.
Put more. Okay, enough. We'll put some raisins also.
I'm gonna lick this one. Let's check out.
And we're gonna put some raisins as well because I have lots in the fridge. And now this time, no, I have to do it because you don't have to put lots. So now this time we have to put these flax seeds. This is just an optional. Normally I have this with my oats or my cereal, so it's really good. So I'm using this. And Isabella will give a good mix. Now you can mix that because it becomes soft.
Mama, look, guys, it's turning around.
Hold. And we're gonna put some sugar.
Some sugar.
I don't like too much sweet on my carrot cake, so I just put less sugar.
Do it, Mama.
So I just have to estimate. But actually, you can put one third of the sugar. But for me, I'm putting a little less of that. Sometimes I put 1/3. Okay, now you put some. I'll do it only because you're making so much mess. Okay, now you can do it.
Sorry, Mama.
It's okay.
It's slime.
And now we are putting some raisins because I have actually in the fridge, so I'm gonna put some of it.
I just want to taste one of them.
Actually, I have this dried, this is a dried kiwi. Okay, that's enough.
This one is so good so far.
Okay na, stir it. And now it's time to put our carrots.
Go ahead, Mama.
Okay, mix.
Got it.
Let me do it.
Mama, just make it.
So much mess you do.
Sorry. And Mama,
Hmm.
make it smooth for me.
Okay. So we have to put the carrots.
Yep.
So I just have to finish it. I'll do it, love. I'll do it.
It's all for me now.
Wait. You have to check if sugar is okay on this.
Sorry guys, I'm watching Jillian and Addie.
Okay.
Sorry,
now
guys.
this is done. Excuse me.
You know what, guys? You gotta do it here, coffee.
Yes, cuff in your elbow. So they just have to taste using finger.
I'm gonna taste by my finger too.
Mm. Nice, nah? So this is perfect for us. Don't want so much sugary. No need sugary.
Mama,
Okay, now
you should make this.
it's time you have to transfer this in a baking plate.
I'm gonna help Mama because Mama is not
Okay.
very good.
No, no, you hold this. You do like this.
Mama's not very good at doing this, but I am so good at this. Get some extra more.
Careful with your thing. It's white, your jacket, please. Okay, now let me do this.
Yeah, Mama. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm watching Jaden and Addie. So now, Mama put it, and now this is what it looks like. Let's taste it. For me. Yep, it's good. All right.
So now, guys, it's done. Now we have to cook this in our DIY oven.
I'm just gonna get a lot because I really want it.
So now we have to transport our carrot cake inside, and this is my DIY oven. So here I used to use salt, but this time I'm gonna use sand. And I have this. So now we just have to put this inside. So now we have to cook this one. Maybe it is 25 to 35 minutes. Yeah, up to 25 to 35 minutes. And we have to check in between so it doesn't get burnt and overcooked. And then this one, it has a hole, so you just have to cover it with foil, aluminum foil. Ta-da! So now, guys, our carrot cake is done. Just have to switch off, and this is how it looks like. So now they just leave it here because it's just so hot, so I don't want to go my hand inside, otherwise we'll get burned in hand. So leave it for some time, then we can remove this from the pan and we can cut.
And subscribe.